So you've made your best video yet. You've spent ages scripting it, spent countless hours editing it, and you've made a clean thumbnail that's sure to grab people's attention. And there's no way that this video isn't going to blow up and isn't going to get a 1 out of 10. But then you upload it, you check after a day, after 2 days, after a week, and nothing is happening. Your video is flatlined after 30 or 40 views. But why? This video is my best yet, and it's better than all the other content creators around me. I've been there. I've uploaded 160 plus long form videos on YouTube and have had that feeling on pretty much all of them. And I can honestly say probably only 1 or 2 of them have matched my expectations or exceeded them. And even that one wasn't hundreds of thousands of views, it was 19,000. And of course it helped my channel, but it didn't exactly blow it up. So why does this happen? What did I learn from this? And how can you make sure it doesn't crush you every time it happens? One thing that I experienced again and again is after uploading a video, I would check the analytics in the first day, in the first week, and I almost hardwired it into myself that if a video hasn't done well in the first day or the first 3 days, it's as good as dead if it hasn't gone well in that period. It was only a couple of years down the line when I started this channel and almost ignored my old one that I realised that that isn't the case. One random day I was just checking my analytics for my old channel that I hadn't uploaded on for a year, and videos were still popping off. There were some videos still getting 20 views a day, or even a short that was getting thousands a day. It was uploaded like 2 years ago. So don't fall into the trap of just writing off videos if they haven't done well in a certain period from when you've uploaded them. Genuinely, one of your videos in a year and a half, or even in a few months, might take off, and it might be your breakthrough, even though mentally you almost disregarded that in the first day because it got 10 views. And this is even more reason to just continue putting the work in and keep a consistent upload schedule. Now, I've been sending out loads of extra free value to my subscribers over on my email list in the form of fast 2-minute emails. So if you want to receive them too and level up your videos fast, just click the link down below. Another thing that I realized over this last 3 or 4 years is how reliant YouTube success and video success is on momentum. You're making this amazing video, but you're putting it on a channel that is only getting 30 views a video. So it's probably going to get 50, 60 views for now. Whereas if your previous videos before this amazing one were getting 10,000, 20,000 views, this one could absolutely fly to like 50,000, 100,000 and beyond. So just keep reminding yourself that your video's views is barely ever proportional to the quality of it. For a lot of us just starting our YouTube channels, it's very often a distribution problem and not a quality problem. And that is why it is so important to get used to failing on YouTube. Because for most of us, we're going to have to go through it hundreds of times. But the good thing is, as I mentioned earlier, some of those failures may turn into successes. You've just classed them as failures too early. And that's another thing I want to hit home to you. YouTube is relentless. And please go into it not expecting much. If you expect too much too early, it will crush your motivation. Because the likelihood is, in the first 6 months to a year, you're likely going to be sitting around 100, 200 subs, unless you get a really lucky break. So lower your expectations a bit. Your success and your breakthrough could be hidden behind 300 videos. It's just obviously really hard for us to see that when we're only looking at one video at a time. One massive thing that I've learned on my fitness channel and on this one is that what you think is a high quality video and your best work doesn't actually succeed on YouTube in 2025. In some niches, the greatly edited, choppy, retention focused videos don't do well because your audience just likes to sit back, watch a podcast, or maybe even make notes. I fell into this trap massively on this channel because I thought from my fitness channel that editing style of fast-paced cuts, give them as much information as possible, is going to work. Like, I thought my first 50 videos on this channel were some of my best content, the highest quality, so valuable, so efficient, but none of them have done well. And it was only when I took a step back and I looked at what was working in my niche that I saw that all of them were longer videos that were more raw and authentic. like the podcasty style. Hence why I'm making content more like this video you're watching now. So question yourself and what you actually see as your best video, because what actually might be best for success and for your audience isn't what you think is. And don't burn yourself out. If this best video that you've ever made took like 10 to 20 hours to do, but it still hasn't got you any success on the back end, lower your standards a little bit so you can actually make more instead of perfecting one that isn't going to work. Because one thing that I didn't realize, and so many of you won't realize, is that making your best content early on is a bad thing. You should actually be making YouTube easier for you than harder. If you want to see what I mean by this and how you can get more results by doing less, watch this video right here.